Hi everyone, welcome to this video. So guys, finally our Python batch is going to start from tomorrow. You can see it is starting from tomorrow, 30th November 2024. And the class timing would be Saturday, Sunday, 7 a.m. IST to 8:30 a.m. IST. And your mentor is going to be Sudhanshu sir, guys. I think you know about Sudhanshu sir. So again, this is going to be one amazing opportunity for you. Actually learn from him. So you can see the entire curriculum. So if you are a completely beginner in the programming, okay, no need to worry. So you will be learning each and everything inside Python. Okay. So if you see the curriculum, guys, so he will start from the very basics of the Python, like the introduction and setup. Then you will see we'll be learning Python basics, control flow, function, data structure, module package, file handling, exception handling, then object-oriented programming, even advanced OP concept. Okay. Apart from that, in this course, you will be also implementing some of the maker projects. Okay. So this project will give you the entire clear-cut idea how we can use Python in real-world project implementation. So again, guys, this is going to be one amazing course because after learning this Python programming, you will be able to switch your career in any kinds of domain, whether you want to learn data science, machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, ML ops. Okay. Anything you can learn. Okay, the first thing you have to master the Python programming, and that's why this course is super important, guys, because many people were looking for these kinds of live course, okay, of the Python, because we already have the recorded course in our platform. Okay, if you check it out, recorded course is already available, but many people were asking, sir, I want to join the live class. Okay, so that's why live course is available. And if you see, guys, this course language would be Hindi. That means this is the Hindi version of the Python. And if you want to join the, let's say, English version, that time what you can do, just click on the courses, go to the live courses, and here you will see this course is called Python for all. Okay, so this one is the English version. That means the both course, okay, both course is going to start from tomorrow. So you can see this class timing is different. That means 8:45 a.m. to 10:15 okay am IST. So you can see this is the English version and that was the Hindi version. Now it's your choice which one you will be taking, but both courses are same. Okay, all the curriculum are same, correct? So I'll provide the link in my description. That means I mean both courses link I will provide in the description. From there you can check it out, and don't miss this opportunity because the class is going to start from tomorrow. Okay, so just try to enroll today, and if you see the price is like super affordable. And if you don't want to purchase actually individually, that time what you can do, you can take the Euron Plus subscription. Okay, only 2,999 INR per year. That means 1 year you can access all the courses, okay, all the services from the Euron site. Okay, it's not about live courses, it's about actually all the recording courses, all the books, okay, everything you can access from the Euron platform. So all the link I'll mention in my description, just check it out. With that, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time.